Hey guys, welcome back to Sunshine Farms. Today we're going to be looking at the black-eyed peas that I've been growing. As you can see, I have some peas on here. Some of them I've already picked, like they're gone. Also, we have a lot of mealy bugs. I gotta spray. You can see all the bugs on there. And then here we have some more pods that are coming. More beans that are forming. Please excuse the airplane noise. I live near an airport. So these are the beans that I started with about 3 weeks ago. I've been picking off of them. I see this now. I need to spray. So I've been picking off of those. I have some more that I need to pick. And then I have some that I started right after I planted my first set like 3 weeks ago. And those are these little guys. They're very tiny. I only planted a few because when the other ones go out, then I want new ones coming in. But I'm gonna have to make sure that I spray this plant because ants and mealy bugs are getting to them. Here you can see more buds. Here are some that I need to pick. This one I did pick off. You see the little, you can see little buds here. They're trying to grow back. And they're just regular old black-eyed peas that you would get, you know, in the store. Or you can buy the peas from the farmer's market or Walmart, anywhere that sells them in a package, and just plant them. I plant like 10 at a time. Once they grow up, start showing signs of beans coming on them, then I go ahead and plant 10 more. So that's what those little guys are. Then this is that pepper plant that had all the peppers on it. It's a little too hot. The plant won't die, but it won't produce any more peppers. If it does, it'll be little tiny ones. Can you see that? Like that. Let's see how big we can get that one to grow. Oh, well, I see more coming. I don't know. Can you see that? Some more coming. Oh, good. That makes me happy. Now, my poor squash is dead as a doorknob. Dead as a doorknob. I'm going to have to pull that up pretty soon. So, not much to say about that one. Then I have my watermelon plant. Remember the watermelons? They were sprawled out all over there. Yeah, they didn't make it. So I cut it back to one vine. And let's hope that this one can get something going. I think I see a little one right there. Can you see that? Two more pepper plants, but I don't know. One's good, one's not. We're gonna see what's gonna happen with it. I'm gonna plant them in a different pot. Now this is my eggplant. It had like 4 flowers on there with eggplants, but I think the birds came and ate them all up, which is sad. Then I have some onions here. Not quite ready to be picked. You can use the tops of them for scallions, you know, just cut up in something, put them on the grill. I planted Blue Lake bush beans in this. It's just a recycle bin, but they didn't come up. I don't know. Weeds came up, but no beans. So I'm gonna have to redo this one. Plant something different. I planted 4 here. Only 1 came up of the Bush Lake. And then here's my other set of black-eyed peas. Aren't they beautiful? I don't have any pods on them yet, but it should be a good harvest from this little one. I need to weed. Pick out some of the weeds. Got a few weeds in here. Now, let me get out of the way. Can you see that squiggly line on there? There's some bugs. I'm gonna have to spray neem oil on here. I try and stay organic. Have to always check the back. But so far so good for this batch right here. And then I have more beans here. These are some Bush Lake beans. Not doing so hot. This one died. Got some weeds in here. I need to come out and weed. Take all the dead leaves off. And then these are some more Bush Lake beans. They seem to be doing a little bit better than the other ones. Now, these are some beans. I can't remember what they were, what they are, what they should have been, but they died. And they were vining up the okra bush. But they didn't make it. So I don't know what's going on with that. But I'm gonna come out, give these guys some fertilizer. It's really hot, so I have to keep them watered. And yeah, just make sure I fertilize them and keep them watered. We're gonna go back over here to these beans. Now, this is not a bean bush. It's this same plant right here. They're called gunga peas. But I started some here, and then I started some here. They grow up to be really big trees. So, but I'm a little concerned. You see all those mealy worms? I don't know if I should just break this off just to get it out of here, or should I leave it? I think I'm going to break it off. Oh, you know what? I just trashed the whole, yeah, I'm going to trash the whole thing. When you see stuff like this and you have more, don't try and save it. It's not worth it. Just get rid of it, because it's going to mess up the rest of your plants. Yeah, it wasn't going to bear anymore. Anyways. I got mealy worms on my fingers. Okay guys, I gotta go wash my hands, but those are my black eyed peas. They're very easy, effortless. They put oxygen into your soil. Just gotta make sure there are no bugs on them. Alright, thank you so much for tuning in. Have a good day.